Let's be honest, most of what you see while scrolling through your feed is absolute junk. But every once in a while, the Amazon algorithm blesses us with something that feels like it was sent back from the year 2050. So I've rounded up 30 viral Amazon gadgets that you actually need to see to believe. Kicking things off at number 30, we have the Wuben Rechargeable Mini RGB flashlight. Look, I know what you're thinking. It's just a flashlight. Wrong. This thing is the size of your thumb, but puts out a staggering 1,300 lumens. It features a 360-degree rotating head and a magnetic base. But the part that made it go viral? The RGB side lights. It's built like a tank and is basically the Swiss Army knife of EDC lighting. If you're ever stuck in the dark, this is the tiny beast you want in your pocket. Speaking of cool factor, check out number 29, the Jaml GJ Ferrofluid Bluetooth speaker. If you've ever wanted to own a piece of Marvel's Venom, this is it. It contains a magnetic liquid called Ferrofluid that dances, jumps, and pulses to the beat of your music. It's not just a speaker, it's a desktop lava lamp for the digital age. The physics behind it are mind-bending, and honestly, I found myself staring at this for 20 minutes instead of working. It's the ultimate conversation starter for any office. Now, if you want a desk companion that's a bit more alive, you need number 28, the Elich Desktop Robot. Elich is an AI-powered desktop companion with a massive personality. He reacts to your touch, gets annoyed if you ignore him, and helps manage your Pomodoro timers with expressive facial animations. It's like having a tiny robotic intern who's slightly moody but incredibly helpful. In a world of static plastic toys, Elich feels like a real character living on your desk. But if you want to take the robotics to the absolute extreme, number 27 is the XGO Mini Robot Dog. This isn't a toy you'd find in the bargain bin. It's a 12-degree of freedom quadruped robot with an onboard AI camera. It can track faces, follow lines, and perform complex movements like a real canine. It's essentially a miniature version of those terrifying Boston Dynamics robots, but for your living room. Whether you're a coder or just someone who wants the most advanced pet on the block, the XGO is the peak of consumer robotics right now. Let's move into the kitchen and home, where things are getting surprisingly high-tech. Coming in at number 26 is the Delta Faucet Glass Rinser. You've seen these in professional bars, and now they've gone viral for home kitchens for a reason. It installs in minutes and uses high-pressure water jets to clean everything from wine glasses to baby bottles in seconds. It is satisfyingly powerful and legitimately saves time on the dishes everyone hates most. If you drink a lot of smoothies or coffee, this will become your favorite thing in your house. But how do you keep that glass full of the good stuff? Number 25 is the eCold Brew Vacuum Coffee Maker. Standard cold brew takes 12 to 24 hours of waiting. This gadget uses vacuum pressure technology to extract the flavor in just 10 to 15 minutes. Its science fair energy meets your morning caffeine addiction. It produces a smooth, low-acid brew that tastes like it took all day, but it's ready before you finish your toast. And if you're a coffee purist who's always on the move, number 24, the Stresso 2026 Portable Espresso Maker and Grinder is a total must-have. It's a 2-in-1 system that lets you grind fresh beans and pump out 15 bars of pressure for a real crema-topped espresso anywhere, from a mountaintop to a boring office meeting. It's compact, durable, and puts those watery hotel coffees to shame. Speaking of things that stay fresh, number 23 is the LetPot LPH Max Indoor Garden. If you have a black thumb and kill every plant you touch, this is for you. It's fully automated with a self-watering system and high-intensity LED grow lights that simulate the sun. It even connects to an app to tell you exactly when the water level is low. You can grow fresh herbs, peppers, or cherry tomatoes year-round with zero effort. It's like having a miniature farm in your kitchen that manages itself. The daily hacks. Let's talk about those annoying problems that gadgets finally solved. Number 22. Clocky, the Runaway alarm clock. We all know the snooze struggle. Clocky solves this by jumping off your nightstand and literally driving away, beeping like a maniac. You have to get out of bed, chase it down, and turn it off. It's the gadget we all hate to love, but if you're a chronic oversleeper, it is the only thing that actually works. Number 21 is a simple but genius fix for your desk. The Oneleaf 360-degree rotatable magnetic cable clips. Stop fishing for your charging cables behind the desk. These magnetic mounts snap onto your cables and keep them organized and accessible. The 360-degree rotation means your cables never kink or tangle, and your workspace stays looking like a professional setup instead of a rat's nest of wires. At number 20, we have the YTT all-in-one screen cleaner spray kit. It's a microfiber wrapped bottle that holds cleaning fluid. You spray your phone, wipe it with the bottle itself, and you're done. It's pocket-sized, refillable, and keeps your screen from looking like a crime scene of fingerprints. It's one of those $5 fixes that you'll end up using every single day. For the everyday carry fans, number 19 is the Geekey Keychain multi-tool. This tiny piece of stainless steel packs over 16 functions: drivers, wrenches, a bike spoke key, a file, and of course, a bottle opener. It's TSA compliant and sits on your keys until you need to save the day. It's the definition of better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Need to stay cool? Number 18 is the Jisulife portable neck fan. It looks like a pair of high-end headphones, but it's actually a bladeless fan that blows cool air around your entire neck and face. It's a lifesaver for summer festivals, theme parks, or just surviving a humid commute. It's quiet, powerful, and keeps your hands free. On the flip side, for those freezing winter mornings, number 17 is the Orastone rechargeable double-sided hand warmer. It's sleek, fits perfectly in your palm, and heats up in seconds. Plus, it doubles as an emergency power bank for your phone. It's a dual-purpose gadget that makes those 6 a.m. winter walks much more bearable. Travel season is always here, and number 16 is going to be your best friend, the Mojo 4-in-1 travel adapter. It covers over 150 countries with US, EU, UK, and AU plugs. But the kicker is the built-in USB-C fast charging ports. It's the only power brick you need in your carry-on, eliminating the need to carry 5 different chargers for your laptop, phone, and camera. Speaking of chargers, number 15 is the Anker Nano 65-watt Geekey 2. It's incredibly tiny, about the size of a standard 5-watt iPhone brick, but it has enough power to charge a MacBook Pro at full speed. This is the gold standard of small but mighty. It uses gallium nitride technology to stay cool while pumping out massive wattage. If you're prone to losing things while traveling, number 14, the AirTracker 4-pack Bluetooth key finders is the budget-friendly alternative to AirTags that works seamlessly to keep tabs on your luggage, keys, and wallet via a global tracking network. Peace of mind shouldn't cost a fortune, and these little guys are the proof. Let's talk home entertainment. Number 13 is the SwitchLens. This is a modular lens kit for your smartphone that actually feels like professional glass. Whether you want a macro shot of an insect or a wide-angle landscape, this clips on and instantly upgrades your content game. It's the easiest way to make your phone photos look like they were taken on a $5,000 DSLR. At number 12, we have the SCRIB 3DP 13D printing pen. It's essentially a handheld 3D printer. You can draw physical objects in the air using heated plastic that hardens almost instantly. It's surprisingly therapeutic and great for DIY repairs, making custom GIFs, or just creating weird desk art. It's a creative tool that never gets old. And to keep your memories on display, number 11 is the Aroma Smart Wi-Fi Digital Picture Frame. This is widely considered the best digital frame on the market. The resolution is so high it looks like real printed paper, and family members can airdrop photos directly to your frame from anywhere in the world using the app. It's the ultimate gift for parents or grandparents who want to stay connected. Back to the kitchen for a second for some viral heavy hitters. Number 10. The Sinnoway drip-free oil dispenser bottle. It uses a gravity-sensing lid that opens automatically when you tilt it and closes when you set it down. No more sticky, oily messes on your counters, and no more fumbling with caps while you're trying to sauté. Number 9 is the Aroma Housewares dual-sided Shabu hot pot. This went viral for date night at home. It has a central divider so you can have two different broths, spicy on one side, mild on the other, simmering at the same time. It's social dining perfected and makes any dinner feel like an event. For the beverage lovers, number 8 is the VFZO heated travel coffee mug. It doesn't just insulate, it has a built-in battery and heating element that keeps your coffee at the exact temperature you set for up to 3 hours. No more lukewarm lattes or rushing to finish your drink before it gets cold. You control it right from the side of the mug. And if you're heading out for a picnic or a beach day, number 7 is the RockBros waterproof cooler backpack. It's completely leak-proof and keeps ice for up to 48 hours. The best part? It's designed like a premium hiking pack, so you aren't struggling with a heavy plastic box. It's ergonomic, rugged, and keeps your drinks ice cold while you're on the trail. Don't forget the car. Number 6 is the AstroAI C2 cordless tire inflator. Forget those sketchy, broken gas station air pumps. This is a handheld battery-powered compressor. You set the desired PSI, hook it up, and it shuts off automatically when the tire is full. It even has a built-in flashlight for nighttime emergencies. It works on cars, bikes, and basketballs, making it a trunk essential. We're entering the smart home endgame now. Number 5 is the Broadlink Aria 4 Mini Smart IR Remote. This tiny puck can control any device in your room that uses an old-school infrared remote. Think TVs, AC units, or fans. It connects them to Alexa or Google Home, making dumb tech smart for under $30. It's the cheapest way to upgrade your entire living room. Numbers 4 and 3 are the Kasa Power Duo, the Kasa HS300 Smart Power Strip, and the HS103P2 Mini Smart Plugs. The Power Strip gives you 6 independently controlled outlets with energy monitoring, while the mini plugs are the most reliable way to automate your lamps or coffee makers. Kasa is famous for its "it just works" reliability, which is rare in the smart home world. Number 2 is the Philips Hue Smart Light Strip, paired with the GELED plus Bluetooth color-changing bulb. If you want that viral room aesthetic, this is the combo. The Hue Strip provides the most fluid, high-end color gradients behind your TV or under cabinets, while the GE bulbs double as Bluetooth speakers. Yes, your light bulb can literally play your workout playlist. The grand finale. Finally, at number 1, the gadget that promises to solve the one thing we all need more of: quality sleep. This is the Opus Sound Bed. It looks like a piece of high-end furniture, but it's actually a vibroacoustic bed. It uses frequencies and vibrations that sync with spatial audio to shift your body into a deep state of relaxation, meditation, or focus. It's essentially a 5-figure spa experience in your bedroom. It's expensive, it's futuristic, and it's the ultimate viral luxury gadget for a reason. There you have it. 30 viral gadgets that actually live up to the hype. If you want to check the current pricing or grab one for yourself, I've put the links in the description below. Which one was your favorite? The robot dog? The Ferrofluid speaker? Or are you getting that runaway alarm clock just to survive your Monday mornings? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart gadget picks. And if you want to see the 10 weirdest gadgets I've ever found on the dark corners of the internet, click the video on your screen right now. I'll see you in the next one.